Hello, good afternoon, Auntie moms and all her friends. My Jackie Andeka, you are gonna bring it up with my English very soon. 20 of 103 article it states that education is a conscious and planned effort to create an atmosphere of learning and the learning process, so the student actively development their potential himself to have to spiritual strength of religion, self-control, personality, intelligence, character, and skill needed by himself security in the state. Seeing this formulation, the national education policy must be used as an abstract rooted in Indonesian culture, so that students become a generation of nation who are independent, intelligent, independent, and think critically. Kartono et al. 2004. Regarding the politics of education, Ki Supriyoko in Amnor 2007. Austin 5 definition of education politics. For political education is a method of influencing others to achieve educational goals. Second, educational politics is oriented to have effort to achieve educational goals that have been formulated. That politically oriented educational methods that can be used to achieve educational goals. For example, the education budget, education policy, and community participation. Fourth, education policy tries to evaluate education program and planning. What percentage has the government achieved in an effort to educate the public educational program. After that, improvements were made. Building down of community participation, financial support, repair of facilities, teacher research, and access to education in Indonesia. From the above description, it is clear that political education must be understood as the elaboration of the tradition and values of the nation, as well as the community conception of the education system. Kartono. Therefore, the political orders of a nation and the education system that follow its mutually reinforcing. Girux. Education as a tool to build national character in the form of behavior and attitude and is only a fragment. Not to mention when talking about the arrogance of the nation, at least toward a nation as a security, it must be protected. Just pay attention to several policies in the fields of economy, politics, education, and so on, showing a portrait of the character of a two-tier elite who is not a leader. A leader should serve, not be served by the people. Faki 2020. far, our education currently cannot turn children education into maturity. Institutions fail the formulate social institutions capable of building the character of the Indonesian nation according to national normative values. Instead, what is being built is the behavior of state elites that is contrary to the social and cultural values of Indonesia. So it is natural that the development of the Indonesian nation based on the United Nations Development Program UNDP in 2000. Indonesia only ranks 109. We are unable to compete with Asian countries such as Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, the Philippines, and even Brunei Darussalam. Johar 2003. Education is a civilization movement must be carried out. There are two strong interests in the education system, namely the interest of political power and the interest of certain groups. If so, the real world of education in the future is not the best land for building the characters of the nation. Even education can be the most fertile ground for growing politicians who are humanitarian, corrupt, manipulative, ruthless, have no sympathy, let alone empathy. If this happens, it becomes clear that the goal of national education have never been achieved. Naim 2008. Transformative education is education that rests on effort to adapt to the environment in which students live with their families, namely education that prioritizes the process of survival, is social, open, and democratic. If it is related to the politics of education, the DPR should actually formulate a comprehensive education formulation and includes within the agenda of practical decision making in the form of allot education budget for operation in the field. Of course, the state should not surrender to the private sector, especially foreign ones who do not have a national interest in the advancement of Indonesia. Imawan Insight 2003. During the Old Order era, it was completely under Soekarno rule, which provided free space for education based on Soekarno education concept. Socialism is the basic reference for how education will be established and carried out for the benefit of the nation. The concept of socialism in education provides the basic principle. The education is the right of all levels of society, regardless of social class. According to Willy Aditya, Indonesia was in the Soekarno era a country that was full of ideas of socialism. The industrial of social also pay attention to the problem of education. The Statute of Universitas Gajah Mada University UGM in 1951 clearly state that UGM support socialism. Education is a mean of driving society toward a just and prosperous society according to the ideals of 1945. Yamin 2009. Even today, Indonesia sends teachers of the abroad, such as Malaysia send thousands of students abroad and spread its student throughout the country to respond to literacy. During the New Order era, education underwent significant change in the field of education, especially basic education. There was a very significant leap with the issuance of the presidential instruction for basic education (VI). But unfortunately, the impress has not been followed by any increase in quality, new quantity. What about secondary and tertiary education? Likewise, intellectual deprivation occurred through the normalization of campus life and KK policy. This policy has cut the space for students to access again of saying. The New Order education model did not open up independent space for the development of critical thinking, liberation ideology, culture during the 32 years of the New Order government. Education actually does not less and this humanizing. What happened is indoctrination, briefings, abstracts, tutorial that teach people to obey and obey. This caused the government order to reformulate the direction of education development in the 1999 to 2004 state policy guidelines, which contained the following: 1. Encouraging the expansion and distribution of access to quality education for all Indonesian people toward the creation of quality Indonesian people. 2. Increasing academic and professional abilities as well as improving the welfare of teachers so that they function optimally in enhancing the moral and dignity of educators. 3. Enhancement of the education system, including curriculum diversification, the scope of the diversity of students, national curriculum, and local behavior according to regional goals, and diversification and the certification of education in a professional manner. 4. Empowering educational institutions, but school and outside school as center of cultivating values, attitudes, increasing family and community participation supported by good facilities. 5. Improve the quality of education institution, but by the community and the government. 6. Developing the quality of human resources in a directed, integrated and comprehensive manner through active effort so that the young generation can grow optimally according to their potential. 7. Increasing the master and utilization of science and technology so that they are able to compete in a global society. To support the implementation of the 7 point of the Educational Development Program above, Article 3 Paragraph 4 of the 1945 Constitution clearly states that the priority is at least 20% of the budget for income expenditure as well as the management of regional government budgets to meet national education needs. In the concept and practice of human education, the main agenda of education is to humanize the process of being human. This process is called humanization, which is process to shape human into real humans. The process of humanizing the agenda is considered successful if humans are bounded as real adults who effort in relation to human values. The theme of humanist education as a concept is humanization. Education in dealing with problem and dialogue. The key issues the humanization problem because history show that humanization was carried out as a result of dehumanization. Humanization in human nature. Humanization is a rec that must be fought for. Fit Hura is often suppressed Freire 1987. Humanization drug education seeks to restore and elevate the dignity of students who have been seized due to socio-political and economic inequalities. The third level of public awareness is as follows. First, conscious magical listeners is a concept of education when people claim that the path that befalls them is destiny that has been arranged by God the Creator. Second, the naive educational experience by those who have seen and understood the causes of this abominable life, but they do not have to rise up and demand awareness to fight for their rights. Their critical education or critical awareness to educate people who are sensitive to the realities of life around them and rise up against oppression. Yemen 2009. In the characteristic of the liberation and education curriculum, we looking at some of the content of national education objectives in the national education system. Law 20 of 2003. Then how is the correct curriculum for the liberation and intellectual level of students who have varying degrees of diversity? Therefore, this diversity must be a factor that is taken into account in determining to philosophy, theory, and practice of education. Named et al. 2008 and Amnor 2007. A curriculum is an experience that is operated to students under the guidance and direction of a curriculum is an experience that is operated to students under the guidance and direction of the school. The curriculum must be localized to focus on the reality of the reality in which it lives. Then determines our destiny. Education is only a mediator and facilitator needed by students. The curriculum needs to be formulated as follows. A. Singing to philosophy curriculum that applies uniformly to philosophy curriculum that is more in line with the goal, objectives, and function of X level of education. B. Theory curriculum. B. Curriculum theory of content must shift from a substantive theory containing facts, theories, and generalization to the internalization of values, moral, procedure, process, and skill that children must process. C. That learning theory used should view students as social, cultural, political, and life creatures as members of society, nation, and state. D. The learning process that is developed must be based on an atmosphere of collective learning, grouped in an atmosphere of brotherhood. E. The assessment of learning outcome must cover all aspects of the abilities and personalities of students according to the objective of the content being developed. Guided by portfolios, notes, projects, observation, interviews, performance tests, and product. Named et al. 2008. The curriculum development in humanist education is to emphasize the aspect of how to think rather than of the aspect of what to think. The conclusion is that freeing and educating the curriculum aiming at building the souls of students to become transmitter of human morality and dignity, human good soul, heart, and mentality. All components are needed to build society in order to foster democratic, fair, and vulnerable attitudes and behavior. This kind of educational curriculum model, the paradigm is not as a means of exploitation for profit, but to build the noble nation character. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Mom Yanti, and here and all my friend. Spirit. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum.